Welcome to Juying Secondary School.
Hi, I'm Juying, the President of Student Council.
I enjoy seeing the Vice President of Student Council. Today we will be sharing more about our CCA.
The Juying Student Council is an organization that consists of unwilling and illustrious student leaders who lead with conviction. We work alongside the school management and teachers and serve as the voice of the student body.
Being a student councillor is a privilege for all of us. We are expected to be the role models for the Juyings. Every year, councillors will be officially inducted through an event called Student Investiture. Every councillor holds a high standard in school, where all councillors are supposed to uphold the 4 A's, which includes attire, attendance, academics, as well as attitude.
As student councillors, we are given lots of opportunities. These include being able to plan school and community events. An example of a community event that we have a chance to take part in is Nanyang Sayang. Through this event, we were able to interact with children from various primary schools in the Nanyang community, and we have learned the importance of being able to express ourselves clearly, especially through our public speaking skills.
As student councillors, it is inevitable to experience struggles and challenges, but our teacher advisors are always there for us, encouraging and giving us great advice that would encourage us to persevere through. Hence, when we are facing problems, we feel secure as our teacher advisors will always be there for us, like a family.
In Juying, every student voice is heard. One way we can achieve this is through a forum called Student Conversation. This event is a purely student-facilitated event. All Juyings are allowed to have conversation with the councillors and talk about the issues they face in school. This year, we have decided to add in one new component into Student Conversation, the mobile polling booth. All Juyings are given the freedom to indicate their response on 4 different general questions on a polling board. Through this polling board, we get insight on how Juyings view certain topic. With this information, we conduct focus group discussion with selected students to obtain more detailed information. Joining JYSC gives you the opportunity to plan school-wide events which create a positive school culture.
We are also given opportunities to be able to work with other leaders. One example would be the Teachers' Day gift warm pens. We have collaborated with the class leaders to work on the different warm pens for the teachers. As a Sec 2 councillor, I got to know the other leaders in the school, especially the senior class leaders. Through this, I've learned different styles of communication, different leader processes, and it is important for us to be able to work well with others.
The Gratitude Movement is part of the legacy project left behind by our 2019 seniors. Through this, we hope to show our gratitude and kindness to the heroes of our school that have been helping us a lot. This year, the councillors have decided to roll out a new initiative that was initiated by the Excos. We have started the gratitude card in study competition. Councillors are also given the freedom to be able to initiate new projects as part of the student-initiated project. This competition allows Juyings to design their desired and ideal gratitude card, to be able to see their gratitude card on display and for sales to help foster a sense of learning to the school.
In Student Council, we are also put in charge to plan and execute the school's major events like Teachers' Day and Juying's Got Talent. Through all the projects, we always emphasize on one belief, and that is to uphold high standards in our work. We value quality. Every student councillor is to produce high-quality works before going through round and rounds of refining. Some examples will be highlight of this year's Teachers' Day, the magical walkway, and the invitation letters.
However, to obtain high-quality work in Student Council, communication has great importance. Through the project that I have participated in, such as the Just For You digital newsletter, I have learned the importance of communication, whether it is with team members, with those we are giving instructions to, or for interviews. The newsletter aims to promote a stronger school pride, as when JY look through all the events that happen in the school that was featured in the newsletter, they will feel a sense of place and belonging and be proud of our school.
Each year, every councillor will go through several leadership workshops signed up by our teachers. We polish and gear up new leadership skills that might help us in our future leadership journey. One example will be the annual LEAD program. We are able to work together with top leaders from each CCA to go through a 5-day program where we learn more different aspects of leadership.
We are the leaders serving the student body, hence we truly care for our Juying's well-being. We share with Juyings lots of tips on how to relieve stress during the exam periods through various platforms, as we do not want Juyings to overly stress themselves. We enjoy coaching and seeing others grow, and to see others stepping out of their comfort zone to become a better version of themselves.